Welcome to our guide on investment strategies for beginners. Today, we'll focus on how you can make the most out of your $16,000 at the age of 19. Let's dive in and explore some efficient strategies for investing your money wisely. In today's video, we will cover three main sections: ETF Diversification Strategies, Key Considerations, and Best Practices for Young Investors. Embarking on your investment journey involves understanding the best ways to diversify your portfolio using ETFs. We'll cover broad and focused approaches to diversification. First, let's talk about broad diversification. This involves spreading your investments across several ETFs, such as IVV for the S&P 500, NDQ for the Nasdaq 100, and VGT for technology. The key to this approach is not only in your initial investment, but also regularly adding additional funds to these ETFs. Now let's look at a focused approach, which involves concentrating a larger portion of your investment in one or two main ETFs, while allocating a smaller portion to single stocks. Regular reinvestment in this setting ensures sustained growth over time. It's important to take into account several key considerations when deciding on your investment strategy. These include avoiding overlap in your ETFs, aiming for simplicity, and being cautious with single stocks. One key consideration is to avoid overlapping. Don't let several ETFs in your portfolio hold the same assets. If an S&P 500 ETF is your foundation, it's beneficial to add a small cap or international stock ETF to ensure overall diversification. Simplicity can often be more efficient. Sometimes, choosing just one ETF can provide sufficient diversification, such as VOO for a US-centric approach, or VT for comprehensive global exposure. Let's see what you've learned so far with a quick quiz. Which ETF is considered a good choice for a US-focused investment? Here are your options: A, VOO, B, VT, C, NDQ, or D, IVV. You may pause the video now to think about the answer and then say, "We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video." The correct answer is VOO, which tracks the S&P 500 index and is a solid choice for US-focused investments. When investing in single stocks, it is recommended to exercise caution since they carry more risk compared to ETFs. If you do decide to invest in single stocks, keep it to a small percentage of your overall portfolio for safety. Let's explore some best practices that will help enhance your investment strategy. These practices ensure that your portfolio remains balanced and attuned to your personal financial goals. While selecting ETFs, ensure that they complement each other by filling gaps in your overall strategy. By combining different ETFs, you can create a well-rounded and efficient investment portfolio. To summarize, a good investment strategy involves a mix of both broad and focused diversification, avoiding ETF overlap, keeping it simple, and being cautious with single stocks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We would love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to leave a comment below.